1. Pile, Park Electron Limited. Summary. Buy. Closing price, 23 Pakistani rupees and 18 paise. Volume, 1,26,47,617. High volume, indicating strong investor interest. ADX, 17.44. Weak trend strength. RSI, 54.07. Neutral, balanced buying and selling pressures. Last RSI, 47.93. Recent increase in buying pressure. AO, 0.31. Mild bullish momentum. Percent change, D, plus 2.93%. Upward price movement. Support/resistance, 20 Pakistani rupees and 12 paise, 25 Pakistani rupees and 81 paise. AI recommendation. Due to weak trend strength and mild bullish momentum, adopt a cautious approach. Monitor support stability before increasing positions. 2. PPL, Pakistan Petroleum Limited. Summary. Strong buy. Closing price, 116 Pakistani rupees and 60 paise. Volume, 92,49,140. High trading volume indicates strong investor interest. ADX, 16.73. Low trend strength, indicating a weak directional trend. RSI, 62.39. Moving towards overbought territory. Last RSI, 58.73. Indicates increasing buying momentum. AO, 3.35. Positive momentum. Percent change, D, plus 1.47%. Recent upward price movement. Support/resistance, 98 Pakistani rupees and 43 paise, 127 Pakistani rupees and 13 paise. AI recommendation. Despite the strong buy signal, the trend strength is weak. Consider a cautious approach and monitor support stability before increasing positions. 3. DGKC Khan Cement Company Limited. Summary. Buy. Closing price, 77 Pakistani rupees and 44 paise. Volume, 91,09,354. High volume indicates strong investor interest. ADX, 34.58. Moderate trend strength. RSI, 64.26. Approaching overbought territory. Last RSI, 60.32. Indicates increasing trend in buying momentum. AO, 7.93. Strong bullish momentum. Percent change, D, plus 2.76%. Recent upward price movement. Support/resistance, 57 Pakistani rupees and 60 paise, 90 Pakistani rupees and 5 paise. AI recommendation. Given the strong market interest and upward trend, this stock has potential. However, closely monitor the resistance level and take profits if the trend reverses. 4. FCCL, Fauji Cement Company Limited. Summary. Buy. Closing price, 20 Pakistani rupees and 16 paise. Volume, 86,10,154. High volume indicates strong market interest. ADX, 32.80. Moderate trend strength. RSI, 59.87. Approaching overbought territory. Last RSI, 54.94. Indicates a strong trend. AO, 1.74. Moderate bullish momentum. Percent change, D, plus 2.86%. Upward movement. Support/resistance, 15 Pakistani rupees and 2 paise, 23 Pakistani rupees and 73 paise. AI recommendation. The upward trend and strong market interest suggest potential. However, investors should monitor resistance levels and consider exiting positions if momentum weakens. 5. FFBL, Fauji Fertilizer bin Qasim Limited. Summary. Buy. Closing price, 34 Pakistani rupees and 86 paise. Volume 82,29,624. High volume, indicating strong investor interest. ADX 37.83. Strong trend strength. RSI 70.11. Overbought territory. Last RSI 78.52. Indicates strong trend and buying pressure. AO 5.78. Strong bullish momentum. Percent change D minus 3.54%. Recent downward movement. Support/resistance 24 Pakistani rupees and 15 paise. 43 Pakistani rupees and 38 paise. AI recommendation. The strong buy signal and high trading volume indicate potential. However, monitor for a pullback to support levels before increasing positions. 6. Unity Foods Limited. Summary. Buy. Closing price 25 Pakistani rupees and 16 paise. Volume 77,78,562. Moderate interest. ADX 18.81. Weak trend strength. RSI 64.25. Approaching overbought territory. Last RSI 63.24. Stable trend. AO 1.39. Moderate bullish momentum. Percent change D plus 0.48%. Slight positive movement. Support/resistance 21 Pakistani rupees and 88 paise. 27 Pakistani rupees and 62 paise. AI recommendation. With weak trend strength but approaching overbought territory, it is advisable to monitor the price movement closely and wait for a pullback to support levels before entering. 7. OGDC, Oil and Gas Development Company. Summary. Buy. Closing price 132 Pakistani rupees and 50 paise. Volume 73,09,709. Moderate interest. ADX 24.50. Weak trend strength. RSI 54.90. Neutral, balanced buying and selling pressures. Last RSI 57.35. Slight decrease in buying pressure. AO 7.86. Strong bullish momentum. Percent change D minus 0.80%. Slight downward movement. Support/resistance 111 Pakistani rupees and 28 paise. 150 Pakistani rupees and 6 paise. AI recommendation. Monitor the stock closely as the weak trend strength and slightly downward movement indicate caution. Look for stability above the support level before increasing positions. 8. PIBT, Pakistan International Bulk Terminal Limited. Summary. Buy. Closing price 6 Pakistani rupees and 40 paise. Volume 62,04,451. Moderate interest. ADX 21.94. Weak trend strength. RSI 50.96. Balanced buying and selling pressures. Last RSI 56.83. Recent reduction in buying pressure. AO 0.61. Neutral momentum. Percent change D minus 2.74%. Downward movement. Support/resistance 5 Pakistani rupees and 11 paise. 7 Pakistani rupees and 88 paise. AI recommendation. With weak trend strength and neutral momentum, exercise caution. Monitor support levels closely and wait for positive indicators before increasing positions. 9. SNGP Sui Northern Gas Pipelines Limited. Summary. Buy. Closing price 67 Pakistani rupees and 78 paise. Volume 46,61,487. Moderate interest. ADX 30.88. Moderate trend strength. RSI 61.90. neutral. Last RSI 60.10, slight increase in buying pressure. AO 3.16, mild bullish momentum. Percent change D plus 0.70%, positive movement. Support/resistance 57 Pakistani rupees and 77 paise, 74 Pakistani rupees and 9 paise. AI recommendation: given the moderate trend strength and mild bullish momentum, monitor for a pullback to support levels before entering. 10. FFC, Fauji Fertilizer Company Limited. Summary: buy. Closing price 143 Pakistani rupees and 36 paise. Volume 30,72,687, moderate volume. ADX 55.53, strong trend strength. RSI 65.76, approaching overbought territory. Last RSI 72.17, indicates strong buying pressure. AO 14.04, strong bullish momentum. Percent change D minus 1.57%, slight downward movement. Support/resistance 116 Pakistani rupees and 71 paise, 165 Pakistani rupees and 48 paise. AI recommendation: despite strong bullish momentum, the stock is nearing overbought territory. Monitor for stability before entering.